Hazrat Rafi bin Khadij radiyallahu anhu states that he submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, tomorrow we will confront the enemy, but we do not have knives. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, hurry up. Or he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, do it slaughter, briskly. Use whatever causes the blood to flow, and eat on which Allah's name is mentioned, provided it has not been slaughtered with a tooth or a nail. And soon I will tell you, as for a tooth, it is a bone. As for a nail, it is the Ethiopian's knife. Hazrat Rafi radiyallahu anhu says, we got some camels and goats as spoils. One of the camels fled away, so a man halted it by shooting an arrow on it. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, some of these camels are wild like other wild animals. So if any one of them prevails over you, treat it in the same way. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5065.